Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're making some black sesame snaps. I've been finding I'm getting a lot of white hair lately, so I decided to eat more black sesame. I did notice that it made a significant difference to the quality of my hair. So today I'm going to show you a very quick way to make black sesame snaps. Super delicious, very easy. Let's get started. We just need 4 very simple ingredients for the sesame snaps. We need some honey and black sesame seeds. You can use black sesame or white sesame, about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to put everything in the pot. Brown sugar, water, 1 tablespoon of honey. And then I'm going to just use a pair of chopsticks. Turn the heat to high. And to stir and bring everything to a boil. Once boiling, continue boil the mixture for about 50 seconds until you see really big bubbles like this. Really big bubble. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn up the heat. And then putting our seeds. You can see and smell the brown sugar and honey mixture. Then we're going to get a large piece of parchment paper and put all the seeds on top. So good. And then we're going to flatten and roll with a rolling pin. You can roll this really thin. Alright. Phew, that was hard work. I'm going to cut a little piece to show you what it looks like right now. I feel like I'm going to eat the whole thing, which is not a good thing. It's a little bit sticky at the moment. But once you put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes, it's going to be coming like this, quite snappy. And then we're just going to use a knife and cut it into little pieces. We're all done! And you can store the black sesame snaps in a container in the fridge to keep them nice and crispy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like or subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted. See you next time. Bye.